Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. How are you guys doing today? So, before we get into that little box of goodies for birthday stuff, just gotta love birthdays. Let's hear from the Word, and then we'll get into those Tarte goodies. So today I'm speaking to you from one of my favorite Psalms in the world. It's Psalm 37, and this is verses 5 through 8. And the Word says, "Commit your way unto the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. He shall bring forth your righteousness as the light, and your justice as the noonday. Rest in the Lord and wait patiently for him. Do not fret because of him who prospers in his way, because of the man who brings wicked schemes to pass. Cease from anger and forsake wrath. Do not fret. It only causes harm." You know, what the Lord is telling us here is, look, we're going to look around us in this day and age, and we are going to see people who literally without even, that could even come across as soulless or compassionless, who are prospering in what they do, the way of the world, so to speak. The Word says we as Christians are in the world, but we are not to be of the world. Now we're going to see people prospering who are doing, look, like the Bernie Madoffs, who literally stole billions of dollars from people who prospered for a while. But let me tell you, the end of that man was not pretty. Look, we're going to see things around us all the time of people prospering in their way, not God's way. But we're not to fret, because God is our supply. He is our ever-present help in time of need. And what I have found, look, I have been in churches where I have literally had women try to get me to get kicked out of the churches, write letters. One person even accused me of kidnapping her daughter and holding her for ransom. And I was like, oh my gosh. And what I didn't realize at that time is the Lord was allowing these things to happen to prepare me for ministry. And I couldn't even believe that there would be somebody who would go in and lie and say that I kidnapped her daughter and was holding her for ransom. But you better believe, God is my witness, that that happened. And they called me into the office and they had to investigate, because that was the law in the church. And I sat there crying, going, I don't even understand how you guys could be calling me in here. And they're like, Pamela, we do not believe it for 1 minute. As a matter of fact, we know the person who's accusing you, and we have had nothing but problems. But because of the laws of California governing churches, we have to call you in. It's the law. But I just couldn't believe that somebody would do something so wicked and evil. But they're out there. And let me tell you, it seems like those people don't have problems in their lives, but I'm telling you, do not fret of those who prosper in those ways, because their day will come. And I'm telling you, we will see it, but we just need to put our trust in the Lord, because he will bring it to pass that our righteousness will shine forth like the noonday sun. The day will come where those people look at us and go, oh my gosh, I wish I had never did what I did. And they're going to receive their just rewards, and we're going to receive ours. And they're going to be wishing that they had listened and that they had lived the way we choose to live. Look, Christianity is not the easy road. It is very hard to be a Christian and to do it the right way. That's why the word says that the road to hell is wide and it is very crowded. But the path to heaven is the road less traveled. It is very narrow and few are upon it. Because most people don't choose to do things the right way. But just trust in the Lord and he will bring it to pass. You just watch and see. But, oh my gosh, I have a birthday coming up, and so does my daughter. So this is something that I could not pass up this deal. Tarte was having a 30% off deal, and they did have a couple palettes that I really wanted. And unfortunately, one of them was not allowed to be included in this deal, but I was not going to miss out on it. And you guys know how I shop, and it's hard for me sometimes to buy things for myself, even though I'm very blessed and I have a lot of things. But for the most part, I'm buying things to give away. That's just who I am. But, which I did in this order as well. But I'm telling you, I got such a great deal, and I didn't realize that I had stored enough Tarte points to get $20 off an order as well. So I'm telling you, I'm really excited about the deal that I got. So this was just a cute little sample they sent me. This is the Sugar Rush Tarte Squeezy Clean Face Wash, which I'm actually excited to try it. I got a 15% off my next order, which they always do. And then this is to Sabo, and this is 20 off your next order at Sabo, which I think is like clothing, cute clothing and stuff. I got a sample of the new Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation, which I'm pretty excited to try as well. I did get some free items, and I'm going to show you those last, but this was one of the things I got for my birthday. The Tarteist mascara is absolutely my coup de grace, my go-to, my ride or die mascara. It is my absolute favorite right now. I have not found anything that tops it as far as I'm concerned, and how it works on my lashes and what I wear. I love this, and it comes with a cute little lippy, and it also comes with one of these. This is one that I had gotten at Macy's a while back with one of my $10 reward points, and these are the chrome paint pots, and they're absolutely beautiful. This color is, I think it's a princess thing or something like that is what it's called. Park Avenue Princess. This is what they look like. These are liquid. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, there it goes. They come with this cute little smasher thing, which I love because I use this for my ColourPop Super Shocks when they break too. You pat them down, but this pats it down. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I am not going to swatch it because this is one of my birthday gifts, so I'm going to force myself to wait to see how gorgeous it is until my birthday. But this is what the little set looks like. I love the lippy that came in it. The color is so me, and it's a pretty good size mascara, which I love this size because you can carry them in your purse. They're amazing. Love it, love it. I also got for my birthday this Tarte. This is the Life of the Party blush palette, clay blush palette, and it comes with a clutch. Now, I honestly wasn't sure if I was going to do this as a giveaway item or for my birthday. This is what it looks like. The clutch is absolutely adorable. You can pull it right out of here just like that and put it into something else if you wanted to. You could put this right into a Z palette and then just keep the clutch, which is probably what I will do. I will probably put this into one of the Z palettes I got today, and if I choose to keep it. I'm not 100% sure, honestly, if this is going to be a gift or not, but I'm thinking I'm going to trade somebody right now for another little blush palette. I think I'm going to end up putting this into the giveaway items. But it was a great deal at 30% off the already 50% off price. So this was $24, and then I got 30% off of that. So that takes another $7, about $7 or $8 off of that price. So I got this for about $16, which is amazing. Also, this is the ICB palette. I am not going to say it because I don't use that word, and I'm not going to even say anything close to it. But I don't like the name. Any of you who know me already know that. I'm not going to go into it. I think it's ridiculous that they are doing this, but you can't stop people. When that's what's in their heart, it's what they're going to do. Period, end of story. But the palette is absolutely stunning. This was a $21 or $24 palette, and I did get it for, oh my gosh, I just got a whiff of it through the breeze. It smells amazing, as Tarte does. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. and the colors are absolutely stunning. So I ended up getting this for about $16 as well. I think it was actually less than that with my, I'm trying to remember, but I think it was less than that. But it's beautiful. Everybody knows these are my favorite Z palettes in the history of Z palettes because I am a leopard print, animal print, mom-loving mama. I absolutely adore these palettes. I have 4 right now. One of my friends, Jesus is the Only Savior, bought me one of these, which I absolutely love, which went in with my collection, and I already have it filled with stuff. This is absolutely my favorite, and God is so good because every single one of them has a different print variation, which I love. Like, I don't have to label them. I know which print is which palette, but that's what they look like on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. I love the feel of them. They're just such a rich, luxurious palette, and I'll be one of those people that'll be loving leopard print and animal prints until I die because I just adore them. I also got 2, now this was $12 plus 30% off of that, so I got this for $8, a little bit, maybe a little under $8. Also, these were $12 as well. These are the Tarte, oh, what is the name of it? Sparkle Like You Mean It Z palettes, and oh gosh, of course this one's going to give me a hard time in opening it because I'm on video and I'm trying to be fast. But this is the last of my orders. I got 2 of these. They're absolutely so diggity darn adorable. And I'm not sure, this is what the inside of the palette looks like, but I think I may keep one of them and do one as a giveaway item. So I got 2 of these, and again, they were $12, so they ended up being about $7 around there. You guys can do the math. Not that hard to figure out, but here's the 2 I got. And then I got 3 items for free, which I thought was pretty amazing in addition to the samples just for the order. And that is a Tarte blush in the color Exposed. This came for free. It is a very pretty pale peachy color, absolutely gorgeous. I do already have this, so this is going to go into my like giveaway bag stuff. I got another H2O gloss, which I love the color, so keeping it. And then I got Lights Camera Lashes in a pretty good size, so all for free just for placing the order. I love Tarte. When they have their sales, I think it's pretty amazing. They do have a good reward system. You do got to remember it. And I got, after I placed this order, I went into my reward system and I got $20 off my next order, which is remarkable for only 1,900 points. And you'll get there very fast with their ordering system. So check it out, give them a shot. And I don't know if the sale's still going, but you could check it out. I just got my order, so I don't think it is, you guys, and I'm sorry for that if it's not. But I didn't get my order until yesterday, literally as we were walking out the door to go to dinner, so I wish I would have been able to remember to tell you about it sooner. But hope you loved it. Have a great day. I pray that God keeps you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.